Good morning children. Today we will mark the question and answers for our 6th lesson, enlivening a presentation. So first question is, what is a slideshow? What is a slideshow? Okay, a slideshow is a on-screen presentation of information or ideas which is presented on the slides. Okay. A slideshow is an on-screen presentation of information or ideas presented on the slides. Okay, then we can say a slideshow. Okay, this is the answer. Keep it as it is, simple. What is a slideshow? A slideshow is an on-screen presentation of information or ideas. Then what is animation? What is animation? Okay, that is the second question. The ability to move the objects and text in all the directions of the slide is called animation. Okay, so this is the second one. Now write a note on animation. Okay, write a note on animation. Third question, write it here. Write a note on animation. Okay, this is what. Okay, we can write, cross this U and write V. We can animate the text or objects in a presentation by applying sound effects or visual effects. Okay, and you can say and movement. Okay, next point. Animation is very useful to focus on important points. Then very helpful to strike it off when you wish, to focus on important points. It also controls the order of flow of information and helps to increase the audience interest. So 3 points. Write a note on animation means we can animate the text or objects in a presentation by applying sound effects or visual effects. Sound effects, visual effects and movement. Animation is very helpful to focus on important points. It also controls the order of flow of information. Okay, then the last point is it helps. Convert this, strike off this and write it helps to increase the audience interest. Next, how are we going to do the animation? Okay, we leave this answer. Then we go to the fourth one. What is transition? Okay, what is transition? Write it here. Fourth question. What is transition? Okay, fourth question. Transitions are used to add visual effects to the slides. Okay, so the transition effects are the movements you see when one slide changes to another in a slideshow view. So transition means the visual effects. The next one is these effects are the movements which we see when the slide is changing to one another in a slideshow view. Okay, then this is the fourth question. So we saw 4 questions. First one is what is a slideshow. Second one is what is animation. Third one is write a note on animation. Fourth one is what is transition. Okay, then coming to the fifth question. Okay, where can we apply where can we apply transition effects? Okay, we can apply strike and write U to V. We can apply transition effects in slide sorter view. Okay, that's it. We can apply transition effects in the slide sorter view. Okay, and 1 minute, we can add one more thing also. Okay, you write here only in the slide sorter view. Okay, now write a note on inserting sound clips. Okay, inserting sound clips. Okay, we can add sound in the form of music or special effects. Okay, this is the first one. Convert this U to V. We can add sound in the form of music or special effects. First point. Then music or sound can be added from the files saved on your computer, or from the internet, or from the recorded sound, or from CD-ROM. Okay, so the music is added from the files saved on the same computer, or directly from the internet, or from the recorded sound, or from some CD-ROM. Okay, so write the note on inserting sound clips means we can add sound in the form of music or in the special effects. So either music or sound is added from the file which is in the computer itself, or from the internet, or from the recorded sound, or from some CD-ROM. Okay, now how to use this is the shortcut key. This will be in for 1 mark. Okay, now coming to the inserting the video clips. Write a note on inserting video clips. So that will be our 7th question. Write a note on inserting video clips. Okay, video clips add liveliness to the presentation. Okay, so we can add the video clips from CD, okay, or Microsoft Clip Gallery. Okay, this you strike it out, which contains a wide range of what you can strike that out. Sound, video, okay, you can strike this totally out. You can directly only write this. Video clips add liveliness to the presentation. You can add clips from the CD or from Microsoft Clip Gallery. Okay, this is what you will be doing for the inserting the video clips answer. Now you can say, write the 8th question. What is action button? What is action button? Action button. Okay, an action button is a ready-made button. Okay, for defining the hyperlink. Okay, now to run a program or to play a song. Okay, you need not write what is written in the bracket. Okay, so an action button is a ready-made button for defining the hyperlink, to run a program or to play a sound. Okay, and you can add this. PowerPoint provides action buttons to play movies, sounds, clip art, images or text, etc. Okay, PowerPoint provides action buttons to play movies, sounds, clip art, images or text, etc. Okay, then coming to the 1 mark. We already saw 1 mark in the last video itself. Okay, so you can say the 9th question as what is hyperlink in this place. What is a hyperlink? No, now the hyperlink is a connection from one slide to another presentation or any other file or any web page. Okay, it can be applied on text or objects, etc. This is the answer for the 9th question. What is an hyperlink? Okay, so in this lesson we will be having 9 question answers. It starts with what is a slideshow. A slideshow is an on-screen presentation of information or ideas presented on a slides. Okay, then what is animation? The ability to move objects and text in all the directions of the slide is called animation. Then write a note on animation. We can animate the text or objects in the presentation by applying sound effects, visual effects and movement. Animation is very helpful to focus on important points. It also controls the order of flow of information. It helps to increase the audience interest. Okay, now coming to what is transition. Transition is used to add visual effects. Transition effects are the movements which you see when one slide is changing to another in the slideshow view. Coming to the 5th question. Where can we apply the transition effects? So the transition effects can be applied in the slide sorter view. Okay, in the slide sorter view. Then coming to the inserting sound clips. Inserting sound clips. How are we going to add the sound clips? We can add the sound in the form of music or special effects. So the music or sound can be added from the files saved on the same computer or the internet, and the recorded sound or from the CD-ROM. Okay, then the recorded sound files are assigned with the extension .wav. This is on 1 mark. This is also 1 mark. This is also in 1 mark. Control D for duplicate copy of the current slide. Now coming to the 7th question. In the 7th question, we can write a note on inserting the video clips. So video clips add liveliness to the presentation. You can add video clips from the CD or from Microsoft Clip Gallery. Then what is action button? Action button is a ready-made button for defining the hyperlink or to run a program or to play the sound. Okay, a PowerPoint will provide the action buttons to play movies, sounds, clip art, images or text. Next, last question, what is a hyperlink? A hyperlink is a connection from one slide to another, or a presentation or any other slide or a website where you can click on that and that can be applied here. Okay, so you have to write all these 9 question answers in your classwork notebook. Okay, so for our exam, we will be having from 3rd lesson, from the 4th lesson, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so ensure that you have written all the question answers for all those lessons. If you have not written, message me in the WhatsApp. I will send you the corresponding lessons question answers so that you can write that in your classwork notebook. Okay, children? Thank you.